at what? Temperature conversion. How to convert from one scale to another scale. Please pay close attention here. So many people don't know how to convert from one scale to another scale, especially when they are being asked to convert probably for Fahrenheit to Kelvin. Most of them don't know how to do it. It's okay. So now let's look at the relationship here. We all know that to convert from degrees Celsius to Kelvin scale, you add what? 273.15, right? So we all know this one here. Kelvin scale equals to what? Degree centigrade plus what? 273.15. Most times you see that what? 273. Right there. So when are we giving the temperature in what? In degrees centigrade, or in the what? In the Celsius scale. To convert to Kelvin, you just have 273, right? Are we together here? Nice one. Now, at the same time, if you want to convert that Kelvin scale to Celsius scale, you subtract 273. You subtract what? 273. So that's why we have this one here. Are we together here? Now, the one we are not familiar with is this guy here. Although your table we have one formula, but I don't use that formula here. I've derived this formula here. Now, this is when Celsius is being given to me. Right there. And they said they asked me to convert to what? To degree Fahrenheit. Right there. So degree Fahrenheit is equal to what? 1.8 degrees centigrade here. Plus what? Plus what? 32. Now, let's start converting. Let's start what? Let's start so I can understand, so I can do what? So now look at what the first one here. Please pay close attention here. This example here. Does it express the following temperature as indicated as what? A. 120 degrees centigrade to Fahrenheit and Kelvin. And 35 Kelvin in what? Degree centigrade and what? Degree Fahrenheit. Is okay. Then we have minus 45 Fahrenheit in Kelvin and what? Good. Let's solve together here. Solution. Let's say about the first one. Now, I'm going to do this one. Then we try this one. It's okay. So here we have A. 120 degrees centigrade here. In what? Fahrenheit and what? Kelvin. Of course, must convert degree Fahrenheit first. No, must convert this 120 to Fahrenheit first. Are you there? Are we together here? Must convert it. So the first here we have 120 degree Fahrenheit to what? It's okay. That is, they want to look for your Fahrenheit scale. Your Fahrenheit what? When the temperature is what? Is degree centigrade, right there, or Celsius scale. Are we right here? I'm not to do that. We can use this one here. It's okay. We can what? So it's not going to be what? Degree Fahrenheit is equals to what? 1.8. Now this one here is the whole of this one. Right there. Let's say times. Right there. 120. Right there. Are we right here? 120. Here is times. This one is a what? Is the 120. Are we right here? So that will be remember, here is the let me go by it again. Now remember, please pay close attention here. We are converting 120 degrees centigrade to what? Into what? Fahrenheit and what? And what? So let's take first one here. Let's take the first one. 120 degree Fahrenheit to what? No, 120 degrees centigrade to what? Degree Fahrenheit, right? Now, which one are we going to use? This or this one? The first one, right? Are we together here? So now going to be degree Fahrenheit is equal to what? Remember, it's supposed to be 1.8 times degree, which is temperature. It's okay. Then plus what? Plus what? 32. Now, this one here is equal to the 120. It's equal to what? I want to go here. So now going to be 1.8 times 120 plus what? 32. This times this plus 32. What is the answer? 248 degree what? Fahrenheit. That is it. Is it difficult? You can see it's very easy. It's very what? Easy. So you have done the first one. So you're also converting 120 degrees centigrade here to what? To Kelvin, right? Which one are you going to use? The second one, right? So we have K equals to what? Plus 273.15, right? So it's equals to what? 120. Equals to what? So my Kelvin scale equals to what? 120 plus 273.15. What is the answer? 393.15 Kelvin, right? That is it. Oh yeah, everybody go ahead and do this one for me. Go ahead and try this one for me. Go ahead and try this one for me. Very important. So we are looking at what the B part, right? The B part. So what is the B? The B says to convert 35 Kelvin in what? Degrees Celsius and what? Degree what? Fahrenheit, right? Please note, there is no direct relationship between Fahrenheit and Kelvin, right? So that is most correct to what? To degree Fahrenheit centigrade before you move to what? Please, I want to go here. Now at times they will just give like this, converted 5 Kelvin in what? Express this 35 Kelvin in what? Degree Fahrenheit. Right there. We know that there is no direct relation between Kelvin and what? And Fahrenheit. But we know that we know relation between degree centigrade to what? To Fahrenheit, right? So that must not cross from that Kelvin to Celsius scale, from Celsius scale to what? Please, I want to go here. Please, I want to go here. So then, yeah, we have to convert the first one here. You have to what? Move to 35 Kelvin to what? To Celsius, right? So which one are we going to use here? Now, yeah, we have to use one here, right? But we are making what? This guy is subject to formula, right? So that's going to be degree centigrade equals to what? Kelvin minus what? 273, right? I want to go here. So then you put this guy here. Then my Kelvin is equals to what? Eh? 0.15, yes. Right? So here we are what? 35 minus what? 273.15. What is the answer? Minus what? 238.15, right? Degree what? Celsius, right? Good. Then from here now, let's convert this degree Celsius now to what? Degree Fahrenheit, right? So you now say converting what? Minus 238.15 degrees to what? To what? To degree Fahrenheit, right? So of course we are not using this guy, right? We are not using. So here we have equals to what? 1.8 times minus, right? 238.15 bracket close plus what? 32, right? So here we're going to be minus 1.8 times this. What is the answer? For what? 428. 428 per what? 67, right? Plus what? What is the answer? Minus 396.67. In what? Is it clear? That is it. That is it. Then I believe you all should be able to do this one here, right? Can you guys do this one? Remember, I cannot convert this one to that. I must move from here to here first. For come here, right? Please, have to go here. So they say convert this one to what? Kelvin and what? Of course, there is no direct relation between this one here. So you must go this graph before this graph. Is it clear? Yes, sir. So should we do it or we should leave it? We should do it. Who that solve this one? And I put on that one. Someone will say I should still do that one. I should solve it. So yeah, the C part, we are moving from what? Minus 14 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, 45, right? 45 degree Fahrenheit. To what? Kelvin and what? Right? Now, there is no way we can convert this one to this straight, right? So we must first convert minus 45 degree Fahrenheit to what? Degree Celsius, right? So what formula are we going to use here? We are going to use this formula, right? Equals to what? 1.8 degrees Celsius plus what? Now here they gave me for an ice scale. That is, they gave me this guy here, right? I want to go here. I am looking for this guy. This is what I'm looking for now, right? I want to go here. So it's going to be what? Minus what? 40 what? 5, right? So I want to put this one here. So now it's going to be minus 45 equals to what? 1.8 times. Is it clear? Is it clear? I want to go here. Plus 30 what? 2. So we have minus 45 equals to what? Right? Plus 32. Can you take this to that side, right? So minus what? 45 minus 32 equals to what? 1.8. Is it clear? Minus this, what is the answer? Minus 45 minus 32, what is the answer? Minus what? 77 equals to what? 1.8 degrees, right? So what are we going to do here? Divide both sides. Well, what? What is the answer? Minus what? 22 minus 42 per what? 78 minus 42 points 7 what? 8, right? That is the temperature is equal to what? Minus 42.78 what? Is it degree centigrade? That is it. Is it clear now? From here we can convert to what? To Kelvin, right? Is it able to go here? From here now we can convert to what? To Kelvin. Should we do it together or you can do it? You are using this one here, right? Do what you are using. That will be minus 42.78 plus what? 273.15. You get your answer, right? So we are done. We are what? Done. So we are done. We are done with three things. First one is what? The first one is what? And random up number, right? The other one is what? Mean, medium, mode, and the other one is this one here, right? Good. Let me to the next agenda.